by the Ministry of Interior. You have to prove that you are able to maintain yourself financially. And there are a few other things that you have to do. And you have to pay 3,000 Ghana cedis as of today for the application. And prove that you have no back taxes owed to the government before you can even apply. Okay?
And that clears that up.
Okay?
Okay, so we'll take another 5 minutes, and then we'll take questions and answer for 5 minutes, and we'll be like.
Let me highlight some of the other incentives. We have other incentives like exemptions from tax for industrial plant and machinery that you bring into the country to establish a business. Yes. We also have in our constitution guarantees protecting your investment. There is no discrimination whether you are Ghanaian or not. Then also government policy. Yes, government policy is now directed at private sector development. Yes, yes, and the government is doing all it can to promote private investment. So if you bring your money into the country, you can be sure that your investment is protected. Yes. There are legislations, that provide for all this, and depending on the sector in which you invest, we can get you the details. Yes. So that is about, in a nutshell, that is about the tax regime for investment in Ghana. Yes. If there are any questions.
Right, if you have any questions, you can ask, we'll take 5 minutes on the questions, and then after we close out, we'll stick around, and then we can interact a little bit after we close out, so that if you have any specific questions, and of course, we want you to take his number. You know, he's family, so consider him your family also. Because we take him as family, then in Ghana, in Africa, family is family. Family is stronger. I mean, they have a saying, if you're running from someone that you've done something, you go to the village, they have to accept you, and they can't turn you over to the police. Family will protect you. So any questions? Yes.
Sass.
Sass.
She was the next person. She's the only person that haven't spoke.
Okay, yes.
No, not question.
Sass.
You're presenting your information.
Okay, well, go ahead, my sister.
Well, thank you.
And then the question will come.